Writing WAEC, NECO, GCE, or any other exam, please. Exams are now CBT tests. Please. Even if it's a foreign exam, it's CBT. No more paper and written. No. That one has faced off. Now, remember, specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of a body by 1 Kelvin. Let me explain this now using a hot metal. When you quickly transfer a hot metal into a calorimeter containing water, what is calorimeter? Calorimeter is an insulated vessel used for heat exchange. So when you transfer it into a calorimeter containing water, what do you think will happen to the hot metal? The hot metal will lose heat to the cold water, while the cold water will gain heat from the hot water. That means the heat lost by the hot metal is equal to heat gained by the cold water according to the law of conservation of heat energy. Let me use this example now. When you want to take your bath after boiling your water, what do you usually do? You usually dilute the hot water with what? Cold water. Two things are involved during this process. Now, the heat, when you add cold water to what? Hot water, something is going to happen. That cold water will gain heat from the hot water, while the hot water will lose heat to the cold water. In that case, the heat lost by the hot water is equal to what? Heat gained by the cold water for the water to be warm. Now, when you transfer this into a calorimeter, remember what I told you? I've told you what a calorimeter is. That calorimeter will not allow heat to escape. You understand? Because it has a polished surface to avoid heat lost due to what? Radiation. Now, to do a calculation under this is very, very simple. Quantity of heat is equal to mass times specific heat capacity times change in temperature. That means the temperature of the metal will be given, while the temperature of the water will also be given sometimes. Then they might even ask you to get the specific heat capacity of that substance. So this Q is quantity of heat, which is equal to mass of the substance times specific capacity times change in temperature. So whenever you want to do the calculation on that specific heat capacity, this is the formula. In my next video, I will tell you how to do calculations on specific heat capacity. We are going to solve some questions on that specific heat capacity.